Welcome to Car Og 765, your destination for classic cars, legendary trucks, vintage vans, and iconic motorhomes that have left a lasting mark on automotive history. If you enjoy discovering timeless vehicles with unique stories, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic adventure. Today, we're taking a closer look at the impressive 1994 Fleetwood Pace Arrow, one of America's most respected luxury motorhomes of the 1990s. At a time when road trips represented freedom and adventure, the Pace Arrow stood as a symbol of comfort, reliability, and premium craftsmanship. Even decades later, it continues to attract RV enthusiasts who appreciate its classic design and dependable engineering. The 1994 Fleetwood Pace Arrow wasn't just a motorhome, it was a complete home on wheels. Fleetwood had already built a strong reputation for producing high-quality recreational vehicles, and the Pace Arrow was one of its flagship models. Families, retired couples, and travel lovers trusted this motorhome for long-distance vacations because it combined luxury with practical features that made life on the road incredibly comfortable. One of the first things you'll notice about the 1994 Pace Arrow is its elegant exterior styling. Unlike many ordinary RVs of its era, it featured smooth body lines, attractive graphics, large panoramic windows, and a confident stance. Its design gave it a premium appearance that still looks impressive today. Whether parked at a campground or cruising down the highway, the Pace Arrow always attracted attention. Powering many 1994 Pace Arrow models was the dependable Chevrolet 454 cubic inch V8 engine, while some versions were built on Ford chassis with the powerful 460 V8. Both engines were known for delivering strong torque, making it easier to move this large motorhome through highways and mountain roads. Although fuel economy wasn't its strongest feature, owners appreciated the smooth performance and dependable reliability these engines offered for long-distance travel. Driving such a large motorhome may sound intimidating, but Fleetwood designed the Pace Arrow to provide a comfortable driving experience. Large mirrors, an elevated driving position, responsive steering for its size, and excellent visibility helped drivers feel more confident behind the wheel. Long highway journeys became far less tiring thanks to comfortable captain's chairs and thoughtfully designed controls. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why this motorhome became so popular. The interior was designed with comfort as the highest priority. Rich wood cabinetry, soft carpeting, quality upholstery, and spacious living areas created an atmosphere that felt more like a cozy apartment than a vehicle. Every detail reflected Fleetwood's commitment to luxury and durability. The living room featured comfortable sofas and swivel chairs where families could relax after a long day of exploring. Large windows allowed plenty of natural light to brighten the cabin while providing beautiful views of mountains, lakes, forests, or beaches during every stop. Many owners still praise the peaceful feeling of spending evenings inside the Pace Arrow. The kitchen was another highlight. Equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, stove, oven, sink, and generous storage cabinets, it allowed travelers to prepare full meals wherever they parked. Instead of relying on restaurants every day, families could enjoy home-cooked food while traveling across America. Sleeping arrangements were equally impressive. Depending on the floor plan, the Pace Arrow could comfortably accommodate several people. A private rear bedroom usually featured a large bed, while additional sleeping spaces could be created from convertible sofas or dinettes. This flexibility made it perfect for family vacations or extended road trips. The bathroom also reflected thoughtful design. With a shower, toilet, sink, mirror, and storage space, travelers could enjoy the convenience of private facilities wherever they went. This level of comfort was one of the reasons motorhomes like the Pace Arrow became so popular among people who wanted to explore the country without sacrificing everyday conveniences. Storage was another area where the Pace Arrow excelled. Large exterior compartments allowed owners to carry camping equipment, tools, bicycles, outdoor furniture, and luggage with ease. Inside the cabin, numerous cabinets and closets helped keep everything organized during extended journeys. Safety was also an important consideration. Strong construction, dependable braking systems for its era, quality lighting, and durable chassis components gave owners confidence while traveling long distances. Regular maintenance helped many of these motorhomes remain roadworthy for decades. What truly makes the 1994 Fleetwood Pace Arrow special today is its remarkable longevity. Many examples are still being driven across the United States, proving the quality of Fleetwood's engineering. Enthusiasts continue restoring and maintaining these classic motorhomes because they appreciate their solid construction, timeless design, and comfortable interiors. For collectors and RV lovers, owning a 1994 Pace Arrow is about more than transportation. It's about preserving a piece of American travel history. Every mile tells a story of family vacations, cross-country adventures, national parks, and unforgettable memories created on the open road. In today's market, classic motorhomes are becoming increasingly popular as people seek unique travel experiences. While modern RVs offer advanced technology, many enthusiasts still prefer the simplicity, craftsmanship, and character found in older models like the Fleetwood Pace Arrow. With proper care and upgrades, these motorhomes can continue providing enjoyable adventures for many years. Whether you're an RV collector, a classic vehicle enthusiast, or simply someone who dreams of exploring America's highways in comfort, the 1994 Fleetwood Pace Arrow remains an inspiring example of what a true luxury motorhome should be. Its spacious interior, dependable power, timeless styling, and reputation for reliability continue to earn admiration from owners around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most iconic motorhomes of the 1990s. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1994 Fleetwood Pace Arrow, don't forget to subscribe to CarOG 765, like this video, and share it with fellow classic RV enthusiasts. We'll be back soon with more amazing classic cars, trucks, vans, and motorhomes that continue to inspire generations of automotive fans.